video, we're going to be welding up the front side here. This is the one on the back side that we put a metal mesh in, and then we use Fiberflex to coat it. So on this side, all we're going to just do is weld up the crack. Start over. Start the one corner. Just going to weld the surface in this run. Side, front, that side, there we go. Part about this that just always takes a long time to figure out is just how to properly smooth the plastic out. Got a lot of experience doing this. I make it look rather easy. I've been told by many people it's not. I just say just don't be afraid to play with it. Move it around, shape it. Move it too far, move it back. Can't really get yourself in a position with plastic that you can't get out of with a little bit of ingenuity. There you have it. So you can see it better. It's good. Thanks for watching.